welcome back. We're here at episode 3. We're going to bring everything together that we learned in our first video and our second video now in this third video. So if you haven't watched those first two, make sure you go back and check those out. We're going to build on everything that we learned in the first two videos. And if you've been watching the whole time, thank you so much. You're going to learn a lot today, and we're going to add some counts. Okay, so like I was saying, we're going to build on the exercises that we learned in episode 1 and episode 2, here now in episode 3. And this time we're going to add counts. So if you're a dancer or you've ever skated on a figure skating team, then you probably know about counting. If you don't, and you've never done those things, we're going to talk about what an 8 count is. So an 8 count is literally what it sounds like. You're counting from 1 through 8, and you're going to count to the beat of the music. Now for this episode, we don't have music, so we're going to make up our own rhythm and our own count, and you're just going to go along with me. So before we get into the exercise, let's count together. Before you start, you want to give yourself a 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to do that to whatever the pace that you want to set for your count is. So we're going to start with 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your 8 count. So the 5, 6, 7, 8 is almost like you saying, ready, set, let's go, right? But when you're listening to music, that 5, 6, 7, 8 should be to the beat of the music and the pace that you want to set for yourself. So for us, we're going to go on the slower side. We're just going to make it simple. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So here we go. We're going to do our ready, set, go, and then we're going to go into 2 counts of 8. Okay? And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so again, if you missed the first 2 episodes, make sure you go back and you watch episode 1 and episode 2, because we're going to build on top of our counting and what we learned in episode 1 and episode 2. So you're going to want to remember all that stuff, or if you haven't watched it, go back and watch it before you watch the rest of this video. Okay, so now we're going to find a resting position. We're going to make sure our shoulders are rolled back. We're going to find a focal point. Squeeze that belly button to your spine. Keep your arms out to your side. And we're going to lift our right foot up. And this time we're going to bring our finger to our nose. Find the resting position. And again, this time you're going to bring your other foot up and bring your finger to your nose. But we're going to do it to the beat. So you're going to start in your resting position. Shoulders back. Find a focal point. Squeeze that belly button to your spine. And we're going to start 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you felt like that last exercise was a little too simple for you, or you just want to challenge yourself, we're going to add another element to this exercise that we've been working on for the last 2 episodes plus today. Okay, so we're going to add speed to our balance and our coordination. So remember, your balance comes from your 1 foot glide, your coordination comes from you tapping your nose with your finger, and now we're going to add speed to our counts. So this is going to be 3 things that you're going to focus on. All the while, you're going to remember your posture, rolling your shoulders back, squeezing in your belly button to your spine, and making sure you don't wiggle and wobble in that 1 foot glide position. When I talk about speed, I talk about our counts being faster. So instead of going at our normal pace, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to add an and, okay? So I'm going to count with you the first time, and you're going to count with me, and then we're going to do our exercise twice to this new count, okay? So remember, our 5, 6, 7, 8 is like our ready, set, go, and then we're going to start the count with 1 through 8 and repeat it again, because we're going to do 2 counts of 8, okay? 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's faster. And our moves are going to be, instead of holding for 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, we're adding our and. So it's almost like double time. That's pretty much what we're doing, okay? All right. If you find this too challenging, go back and you can repeat the first half of this video again. And if you're ready for a challenge, here we go. Everything that we've learned so far together. Resting position, shoulders back, find a focal point, squeeze that belly button back to your spine, arms out to your side, and here we go. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, hey, I hope you found part 1, 2, and now this part 3 helpful. And if you did, let me know in the comments, and make sure that you subscribe and share this with somebody that you think may need a little help with their coordination and balance and even their counts. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next one.